Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. This one right here is Mini, and this one right here is one of the biggest one, if not the biggest water fountain that I ever had, that we ever have, because we have 4 cats at home, and we also sometimes foster cats. So right now at home we have 6. 4 of our own. Mini is one of them, and 2 foster kittens that we're fostering right now. And this thing is super big. It is at 1.8 gallons or 230 ounces. It is massive. But the best thing about this one, you want to know what it is. Now that it's super easy to assemble, because it is super easy to assemble. And Mini, what are you doing? I don't know what she's doing, but let's put her right here back again. Come on, baby. Just right there. And the thing that I was telling you about, it comes with the instruction manual for the assemble, because there is no assemble. You're going to just put the lid over here and the filtration system with the pump. I'm going to show that one to you right now in a few seconds. It also comes with this to clean it if you need, but with the 3-stage filtration system, you're not going to need it too much, and you can actually replace it and wash it if you can. It also comes with a water level indicator right here with an LED light inside, so that's actually kind of cool. And of course, the USB power cable that you're gonna put in the pump inside and then connect it to the wall. We have some water inside. Let's take a closer look. So what I really like about this one is the 3-stage filtration system. It comes with a filter right here, it comes with a filter in the pump, and it comes with another filter right here, kind of like a mesh. That's gonna be the one that is gonna go with the other one over there. So once that you put this in the pump, just like that, let's actually plug it in. And this is of course the best thing about this one, that just based and judging by the size, this thing is super big. But since this kind of like waterfall effect is not coming from a very high place, it's super quiet. You're not gonna hear kind of like the water kind of like watering fall, this right here and this section over here. So that's really important, because it has a perfect and I want to say powerful flow of water, as you can see over here, but it's not lousy at all. It's not super loud at all. It's kind of like quiet, I do want to say. And by the way, this is the first time that Tiger Shark is going to try it out. So I give you one hint, one trick. Whenever you want one of your cats to try a new water fountain, just make sure that you put some ice over there, and they're going to try it right away, because they're going to be curious about the ice. And of course, you can see right here that comes with the water level indicator. So that's actually super good. And Tiger just blocked that view. But I do have to say, this one is a good one. Massive, super big, really easy to use. But the best thing, super quiet. I'll give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.